So what's up, kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So ngayong araw na to, yan, meron tayong bagong launch din ng Honda Philippines. Ito yung bagong CRF 300 Rally. Ayan, kung naghahanap ka ng mga, sige pa, okay na pa. Kung naghahanap ka ng mga ganitong motorcycle ngayong 2025, so eto, baka pwede nyo pagpilian 300cc. Tara, quick walk around na natin. Let's go.
Better hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish that track, then I get it. Got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift I spit.
So yun na nga, umpisahan natin dito sa front or dito sa side muna. Ayan, meron tayo dito napakahaba ng kanyang fender dito hanggang dun. Tapos meron tayo rito na inverted forks na kulay gold. Meron tayong cover naman dito na kulay white. Okay, plain lang siya. And isa sa mga trademark nila, yung ganitong design ng headlight nila. Ang angas no? Tapos naka-LED na rin yan. LED, may rally dun sa loob. Meron din tayong signal light na LED. Kita nyo naman yan. Tapos meron din tayo rito na single disc brake. Ayan, naka single disc brake din tayo rito. Ganda na side, no? Naka-radiator na rin yan. So what di pa ginawang 400cc para at least pang expressway. Tapos ganito yung itsura, no? Kanyang rear brake pedal, forma din. Tapos yung foot pegs, maporma din siya. Yan. Ito yung bago. Meron tayong rally dito. CRF nandito sa side. Ganda ng color variant niya. Yung combination, may red, white, blue, and violet, no? And sa upuan, kulay blue. Ganda ng kulay, no? Hindi ko alam kung sa ilaw lang ba, pero yan, ganyan. Yung foam niya, makapal. Kanyang tambucho. Ito naman is plastic. Tapos ang ganda ng kanyang tambucho rito. Monoshock. Meron tayong monoshock dyan. Kanyang swing arm. Meron din pala siyang ganito. Tapos sa likod, yung kanyang size is 120, 80 by 18. And then naka single disc brake din tayo rito. At Nissan din yung kanyang brand. Ayan. IRC din yung kanyang gulong. Ayan, ganda. Pang trail talaga siya. Sa taillight, ganda rin ang itsura. LED rin yata ito. Tapos yung kanyang signal light. Plate light. Ayan, reflector. Lagay nung ating plate. Ayan. So, dito sa side, meron tayo rito parang cover. Or parang box. Ayan, storage. And then, yung ating lagay ng mga helmet. Ayan. So, ang laki ng kanyang sprocket. Ano na rin tayo rito? Chain cover. And then, naka-single head shifter din tayo rito. And, ang lapad no? Mga ganitong motorcycle. So mga pang big bike talaga yung kanyang design. Ayan. Yung ano niya, digital panel niya. Ayan, maliit lang din naman. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong select and set. Kanyang neutral, temperature, and yung ating pag naka high beam, signal light. Ayan. Tapos ang ganda rin yung kanyang side mirror. Ayan. Yung ating ignition, simple lang din, pero may Honda rin dito. Tapos naka-naked din tayo rito na handlebar. Switches niya, ganda. Mukhang premium din yung kanyang switches. Ayan. Dito, kill switch. Kanyang hazard, electric starter. Yung grip niya, makapit din, Ganda ng grip, Ito, high and low, busina, signal light. Tapos meron tayong cover dito. Ayan, ganyan yung datingan niya. So, yan. Kita nyo yan. Diba? Footpegs din pala rito. Ganyan yung datingan niya, So, pwede ka mag-angkas kung in case na gusto mo mag-angkas. Pero kung ayaw mo naman, nakatago naman siya. Tapos, sumasabay lang din yung design niya rito. And, ito may susian dito para ma-open natin yung kanyang box. Ayan. So, mukhang maliit lang yung tangke niya, pero mukhang pahaba siyang ganun Diba? Ayan, ang lapad yan. Pati yung upuan niya hanggang dito sa harap. Ayan. So, yung itsura ng ating harapan. Ayan. Ganda, Yung kulat niya nandito sa ilalim. So, yan. Quick walk around lang naman para sa Honda 300 Rally. Okay.
like I'm sipping gold bars. And these kids, no kidding, I've been winning this and getting my best life dinner while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey, she be real nice to me. No one works like me, got a different mind, see, my rate is pricey, got a different psyche. Ooh, lyrics are icy, living life nicely, very precisely, living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit, first class ticket, man I'm in it, man I'm winning. I don't have no limit, if I want it then I get it, if she want it then she get it. I ain't never done finished, I'm a giver, I've been given first place. I've been winning 6 shots, head spinning, but I still keep ripping and I still keep hitting 2 ways. I'm splitting all in, I'm risking it all, yeah, I don't ever fall, yeah, but if I do I get back up, stand tall, yeah, I want it all, yeah, a good life, I don't think small, yeah, I'ma be big one day, see me taking off runway, my name up in lights someday, looking at a crowd that loves me, yeah, I came here to play.
I'm lucid, I'm not losing, this life is one I'm choosing, I don't stop, I keep moving, just watch me as I prove it. Oh, I'm telling you I never let go, when I'm in a fight, put on a show, I create the life I want now, and no, I never back down. Depths of the fear and I teach them there's meaning, life's in seasons. Find your will, yeah, find your reason. Be a demon, go and seize it. Live your life that you want, live it just so you please it. No weakness, we defeat this. In a mind of a time we become, we believe it. Oh, I just wanna be a free man. Need a plan that can teach me how to be man. How to think, what to do, what to be in. Make moves, be the change in my own hands. Follow through, do what I gotta do. Prove what I gotta prove, move how I gotta move. Choose what I gotta choose, lose, I never lose. I'll be the one at the top when I'm done making moves. I'm lucid, I'm not losing, this life is one I'm choosing, I don't stop, I keep moving, just watch me as I prove it. Oh, I'm telling you I never let go, when I'm in a fight, put on a show, I create the life I want now, and no, I never back down.